The FirstNet network covers over 2.9 million square miles of the United States, which is over 75% of our land mass. It also covers over 99% of our population. And that is our last challenge, to try to figure out some way to cover that remaining territory when it only supports 1% of our population. We have plenty of great coverage inside our major metropolitan areas. But once you hit the suburbs and the rural areas, it is far more challenging to provide good coverage. If you take FirstNet and our needs and combine it with AT&T's commercial needs, all of a sudden we can put cell sites in locations that are economically justifiable. And we can improve the quality of services, both commercial and for the first responders, and make everyone much better off. The FirstNet network operates like a three-legged stool. The first one is coverage. Coverage is important because without coverage, there's no performance capability. The second is reliability and the lack of congestion, because it is critical that voice, text, and data are transmitted to our first responders. The third area is specific applications for our first responders. We have almost 600 devices approved for the network, and they have a variety of functionality to meet the first responders' needs. We are operating now in 3 dimensions, and if you have the right device, in the case of Z capability, which is a critical service, it will identify where that fire person is in 3 dimensions. If that person is unconscious on the 10th floor, we can trace the device to that specific floor and location so they can retrieve them before a life is lost. The responder community is very critical and very important to the country. And when we come up with unique applications to meet their needs, we save lives.